Volcan Mayon, also known as Mount Mayon and Mayon Volcano, is an active stratovolcano in the province of Albay in Bicol, Philippines, a popular tourist spot. It is renowned for its perfect cone. Mayon is the most active volcano in the Philippines, and its activity is regularly monitored by the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology, PHIVOLCS, from their provincial headquarters on Ligon Hill, about 12 kilometers (7.5 miles) from the summit. The volcano, with its surrounding landscape, was declared a national park on July 20, 1938, the first in the nation. It was reclassified as a natural park and renamed the Mayon Volcano Natural Park. In 2000, Siksik is the centerpiece of the Albay Biosphere Reserve, declared by UNESCO in 2016, 7 and is. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share.